It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Why does want to come back after leaving you? Ex-partners return for various psychological and situational reasons. These reasons include loneliness, jealousy, low self-esteem, a breakup that causes extreme anxiety, or not being able to stop thinking about yourself. Also for personal improvement, growth as a person, becoming more mature, learning to communicate better and learning what is important in your life. Let's talk about this. 1. Reasons why your ex may come back and cause another breakup. If your ex comes back because of jealousy, loneliness, anxiety or her low self-esteem, then there is a good chance that she will leave again. If she comes back because she discovers that life is difficult when she's not in a relationship, then nothing will really change when she comes back. I always tell all of you, if nothing changes after getting back together or getting back together with your ex, you will just relive your previous relationship and break up again. Repeating previous relationship patterns is the main reason couples break up again after getting back together with their ex. 2. Reasons why ex-partners return and start a healthy and long-lasting relationship. If your ex comes back because she realizes that you were special after you have matured and grown as a person, then there is a good chance that your new rekindled relationship will be healthy and stand the test of time. Their maturity and growth could be a result of self-improvement, time spent apart, learning to communicate better, and experiencing other relationships. These reasons talk in detail about getting back together and taking things slow to ensure that the new relationship is stronger than before. 3. Signs that your ex won't come back. If your ex is shown or is showing the following signs, she probably won't come back. Your ex calmly tells you that she does not plan to get back together after a few months of the breakup. Remember, many exes say they don't want to get back together during a breakup or immediately after the breakup, but if you're still confident about staying apart after a few months, they'll never get back together. She has been in a new relationship for more than 6 months. Some recover after a breakup. But if your new relationship has been going steadily for more than 6 months, then it's probably not a rebound one and she won't come back. Your relationship was toxic and your ex focuses on self-improvement. If your ex wants a healthy life, she will not return to a toxic relationship. The only way to change this is to focus on self-improvement, and maybe one day in the future you both will find your way to each other. It has been completely silent for more than 6 months. It's normal for you and your ex to block each other or not talk to each other for a few weeks to a few months. But if she has been completely silent and ignoring all your calls or texts for a long time, then you should consider it a strong sign that she wants nothing to do with you and will not come back. 4. But what prevents your ex from coming back? Sometimes, your ex may want to get back but something prevents them. These things could be something you did or something that happened outside of your control. In most cases, these obstacles can be addressed in a way that can help your ex get back. If you continually act like a needy, desperate person and keep pressuring your ex to come back, she may not come back. This includes things like texting him constantly, calling him all the time, begging or pleading with him, trying to convince him to get back together every time you talk, etc. If your ex grows up and realizes that the relationship she had with you was toxic, she may not come back. If you try to use manipulation and do things to make your ex jealous, she may notice and block you. If your ex is the type of person who doesn't want to play mind games and you play these silly manipulative games with him or her, that may keep him or her from coming back. If your ex gets into a new relationship, that may prevent her from coming back even if she misses you and wants you back. However, many times these types of relationships end and your ex eventually comes back. 5. What can you do to make your ex come back? I have mentioned some of the things that help people get back together. But just to give you a quick idea of what you can do to get your ex back, here's a list. Don't act needy or desperate. Don't get angry and push your ex away. Do not contact and stop contacting your ex. Focus on self-improvement, personal growth, and learning better communication skills. If your ex reaches out, be honest and show trust. If your ex isn't reaching out and you still want him or her back, you should contact him or her when you feel it's time. After your ex comes back, focus on creating a healthy relationship. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.